Hey, good afternoon. Bob from Trade Genius here, Monday, the 11th of April. And let me go through some charts here and tell you a little bit about the today and the week ahead. So, what's been happening of late is we've been having these Monday sell-offs, and today we actually stayed in this channel most of the day till the last hour. We fell out of this up channel down into this lower channel, and what we got to watch for now to see if we get an overnight bounce back and have it be a bear trap for what we call turnaround Tuesday, or do we flush down to do a double bottom here, which is possible as well, and push back up, or do we go all the way to the bottom of the channel and then push back up? I'm not expecting any sort of stock market crash at this point, so those are the things that I'm watching. And I'm kind of a mixed bag right now, and so let me just show you what I have. So I have XIV. I'm long XIV, actually from 2470. I did not put a stop on it going into the last hour because I'm relying on the VIX option expiration here, and also the turnaround on Tuesday for me to push back up. This happened to me last week too. We pushed down pretty hard from my buy price, and then we actually sold out with a 4% profit. I'm kind of relying on that too. The worst case scenario for me is we get back down and we do a double bottom here, and then we work our way back up. So I'm in no hurry to bail on XIV at the moment, but tomorrow will tell me more information. I also went long today, XBI, and again it's moved through its channel, and we're seeing some aftermarket pricing here, so it's kind of hard, but it closed up closer to 24.45 area, and XIV closed up higher than what you saw there too. So after hours noise, who knows what it's going to be overnight. So, but I'm expecting XBI to, we're definitely oversold on my indicator, and I'm looking for a bounce back in the biotechs as well. A short I put on this morning, which is obviously playing well with the market, is that if anything's going to have some weaknesses, energy's been really, really strong of late. And I think this is telling me that the dollar is going to strengthen, which is going to help my other long positions. But I think it's going to put some pressure on oil and the energy stocks. And we got in at early 21.15, 21.74. So that's helping ease my portfolio a little bit today. And also, I went long dust for the same reason this morning. I'm at 226, and we're pretty much. This was, I think a blow off on GDX today, and so we're way above some of these channel lines here that I follow that indicate to me that the market's way ahead of itself. And we had two big gap ups, and we may get a blow off gap, I don't know, or we just roll over. But going Tuesday into Wednesday, I'm expecting GDX to roll over and be able to take some profit into dust. So that's why I'm in that right now. The other trade that I'm holding is, and again, this is a longer term play, swing trade for me. I'm in at 34.50 for XON, and as you can see, I could have took profit today at close to 36, but I'm playing for a bigger move here. As you see, it gets oversold and it pops, oversold and it pops. But I'm not playing this for 3%. I'm playing this for a bigger move. I have a sell limit right now at a 5% gain, but I'm expecting XON to do some great things. Hopefully, I'll be able to get a buy on it and a sell on it, and then get another buy for a bigger move up. But these are the folks that have the Zika virus. They're testing the spray in Florida. Apparently, things are going well with that test, and we can wake up and this thing could be flying. So this is a bit of a speculation, but this has paid me before, and I've had a couple of nice runs with this stock, and I expect to get another one here and be profitable on all the ones I just showed you. And looking at the grains real fast is these aren't trades for me, but I have long-term positions in a lot of these, and I just sit on them. But I don't have I'm not in coffee, but I watch coffee, and sorry about that. And so, okay, let's get moving here. We had a bit of a breakout in coffee today, and I'm thinking we have the next move coming back up on coffee. You know, sympathy with chocolate. They tend to move together. Watching to see if sugar follows, and not quite yet, but it's interesting to see where sugar is. My big trades is DBA, and you know, anything north of the mid 19s, I'm staying in the trade. We had one good trade on it earlier in the year. I'm back in it again, and I'm expecting this to end the year over 30. And same with JJG. Is the grains are I'm expecting big things. These are my La Nina plays, long-term holds, and another one I have that's doing really well on a long term is cotton. And you know, I got back into cotton at 38. It's at 39.60, and I'm in no hurry to jump out of cotton. So that's what's going on with us. Report back tomorrow. If I see more weakness tomorrow, don't be surprised that I bailed out on my long positions and lick those wounds and wait for the next trade opportunities. Good night.